it's Jamie from Schedulicity. In this video, I'm going over setting up service waivers. Let's get started. To set up, navigate to Settings, Policies, and then choose Appointment Policies. From here, you will scroll down to Service Waivers. You will need to check the box if you want to display the waiver to clients when they are booking, which will require clients to acknowledge their waiver prior to booking their appointment. Add your waiver text, and then don't forget to click Save. You are able to view the status of waivers within a client's profile. And if a client has acknowledged or signed a waiver outside of booking an appointment online, in person for example, you can update the status from the client's profile. On the client side, when clients go to book an appointment, similar to an address or credit card requirement, the call out to acknowledge the waiver is displayed in an alert at the bottom of the Book My Visit section. Depending on your waiver text length, the client may need to scroll to the bottom in order to enable the Acknowledge button. Keep in mind, a client will not be able to book the appointment without acknowledging the waiver. Please feel free to reach out to us with any questions at support@schedulicity.com. Thanks so much for watching.